Hi guys, today I will show you how to working process. Last time how to join I will explain, but now today I'm explaining how to join and how to work. I will explain clearly. Okay, follow me. Yeah, first to join. How to join? First of all, give your name. I think I'm giving my and my mail ID is join now. Here. Yeah, you will get this message. Registration was successful. Please check your mail, verify your email and active your account. Start working for today. Yeah, did you see this message? Yeah, what you do first, go to your mail, Gmail, what you are given mail, you can go that mail and see you get a mail, daily online job. They will send you a mail. Open this mail. Please click here to activate your account. Click here. Open the window, new tab. Yeah, password creation. You create one password. Yeah, see, match here. Submit. Yeah, this is your account. You have created your profile. Congrats, your giant bonus 500 created on your account. See your balance. Will get. We can copy paste. Like you can create a one quicker job. Open your quicker portal and open the job selection. I will show you. That is also. Sorry. Rolex. I will show you. Submit free ad. A little bit slow internet. Add title. See this title. Same. This is a copy. Title. Category. Here. What your job? Where it is? Here job. What type of jobs? Others. Here no, not mentioned. Ad posting job. Offering. We are offering, not seeking. Salary period. Weekly. How much salary range? 3,000 to 5,000. Position part time. Yeah, job description same to same. Here copy paste. Did you see? Same. If you want to add photos, this is asking photos compulsory. If you want to ask photos, I will provide you in the description link. Photos provided, you will download that. Yeah, this is it. Pick. Give your name. My name is mobile number. Give your mobile number. City. Submit. Location. Where your location? I'm from Hyderabad city. In Hyderabad. I'm staying in Amirpet. Come down. Submit. Leave. Yeah, I want to log in my account. It's OTP. I get OTP 5650 is my OTP. Confirm. Yeah, airport successfully. It will be after few minutes. View card. This is your ad. Next, what is the process? You right click. Sorry. What you can do? Yeah, copy this. Control C. Control C. Take notepad in your system or anything. Control V. What you will do? Come to again this ad. Copy this one. You need to copy this one. Copy and open this notepad again. Yeah, jobs here. Last here. Paste that ID. Control V. Next, you copy the every link. Control Alt, Control C. Now come to again here. Add reference number. Remember it. 1001. Here type the 1001. Submit. Yeah. Here you are copied URL from the notepad. Paste here and come down. Submit. Successfully submitted. Simply easy. You can do daily 1 2 3 4 5 daily ads you can do. You will get to each ad 10 rupees. They will add like this. And next thing, article writing. I don't know articles, but I will tell you just a little bit knowledge I have. If you have interesting statements or interesting news or interesting anything, you can write the notepad, write the Excel word or notepad, anything you upload here. If you one article, they will pay 15 rupees. Yeah. Next, quiz. If you play the quiz like 3 stages, you will play 3 stages, they will pay 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 4 rupees. This is 1 rupee, totally 5 rupees. Next thing, this is important, easily you can earn. This is the URL. If you copy this URL, send your friend. If they will join and verify, you will get 10 rupees each friend. You get 10 rupees for each friend when they will join and verify. Okay, I will show you my account, original account. Wait 1 second. This is the work. I will show you my real-time work. This is my account. See, 2115 rupees. Now my balance. Referrals, earnings. I am showing. Yeah, watch it. Joining bonus 500. Copy paste. No. Login bonus 2 rupees. Article earning. No, I am not writing. Article click here 1 rupee. Quiz earnings 2 rupees. Referral earnings. I refer so many members. That is the 1610 rupees I get. Totally 2115 rupees. See here. If you want to draw here compulsory 3000. You need to 3000 after you will withdraw weekly once only. Next, come to my referrals. How many members I referred? See here, checking summary. I started 27th night 11 o'clock. I started this bill. Today 30th. Okay, search how many members joined here. List out. Come to down. Yeah, these all are my referrals. Reference I see. See here, 277 members. Here, note the one point. Unverified, you did not get cash money. Who verified, only that will credited in your account. Okay, that is the main point. Okay, any doubts, please below comment me, and I will provide link again this video. Okay, thank you.